भारती न्यूज, सीधा, सटीक और निष्पक्ष।
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the MX Talks. This is the Content Creator Award 2025. Today, we are here to celebrate creativity, innovations, and the voices that inspire millions with the digital world. Stay with us as we share the highlights of the today event. How was your experience at today's MX Talk events?
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to thank you all for organizing such a great event. It was such a great experience coming here because seeing the children perform so well under the guidance of author Sherry, it is such a great platform for them to focus on present their talent in front of so many people, and it's really great. I wish them all the best.
The author Sherry was the founder of this event. Any comments you have to say about him?
Yeah, I am too full of gratitude for him because he has given this platform to my son, and which I had never imagined. So I really thank him from my bottom of my heart.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hi, Pranavi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. How was your experience at today's MS Talk event?
It was really good. I came with my parents, and it was really good. I liked it very much.
Okay, the author Sherry, who was the founder of this event, you want to say something about him?
I'm really grateful to him that he gave us this platform to speak, and I'm really thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Pranavi. So, author Sherry has made it possible about this event. Have you any comments about him?
First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Author Sherry because such kind of events really encourage all the creators to do a lot for society. और जहाँ तक ऐसे इवेंट की बात है, मैं यही कहूँगा कि हर किसी को ऐसा इवेंट करना चाहिए. और एक और अच्छी बात है कि ऑथर शेरी इन चीज़ों के लिए पैसे की डिमांड नहीं करते हैं. और आई एम वर्किंग वेल इन पटना. मैं बिहार पटना से हूँ, बराबर नोएडा आता जाता रहता हूँ. सर के साथ पॉडकास्ट भी शूट किया है. तो सर कमाल का काम करते हैं और इनके नेटवर्किंग बहुत अच्छी है. वी ऑल लर्न फ्रॉम हिम वेरी मच. और हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि ऐसे इवेंट्स में हम लोग आएँ और एक दूसरे को हेल्प करें, सपोर्ट करें, ताकि हम लोग सब मिलकर भारत देश को आगे बढ़ा सकें.
Thank you so much, sir. How was your experience at today MS Talk events?
I think I'm truly excited to be here because it's a wonderful space author Sherry has created. MS Talk is giving the platform. It is not only about the voice, it is about inspiring others. It is about dreams and bringing that change. It's truly exciting to see how everyone is so inspiring, positive energy, great vibe. I'm totally enjoying it.
Author Sherry, who had made it possible. Any comments about him?
Yeah, I just said that he has created a wonderful platform. Like, people are getting their voice to inspire others. It is a place for dreamers, and this is my first time, so it's a thrilling experience for me.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, hi. How was your experience at today MS Talk events?
It was very good. The experience, it was fine. I really enjoyed.
Okay, about the author Sherry, who had made it possible. Any comments about him?
Yeah, I really like him, and I really thank him to make all of this MS Talks and the event. So I really like it.
Okay, thank you so much. So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
It was a wonderful experience, very well organized event, and the ambience was great. The atmosphere was electric. I had a wonderful time. Thank you, author Sherry, for inviting me as a guest speaker. And I really love his vision of creating so many public speakers and giving us this platform to promote public speaking as an art.
Author Sherry, the founder of MS Talk events. Any comment about him?
He's a wonderful person with a great vision, and I'm happy to be here, see him grow and succeed and create events like this.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
So it was great, and obviously the founder author Sherry, I actually know him personally because my father knows him, and we met at an event also previously, and my father loves his book. Honestly, I have not read much about his books, but I know that he's a great person, and yeah, so thank you for having us at the event.
How was your experience?
It was really amazing. Coincidentally, I've graduated from this college only I guess 5 years back. I was in the 2020 batch of the COVID batch, basically. So coming here after 5 years and literally receiving an award feels like a complete circle now. So thank you so much for this honor, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Can you, you want to tell about your journey on the like on YouTube and
Yeah, sure. So we started back in like I actually started back in 2020, but he joined me in 2023, and then we were consistent. So I just want to say that hard work and consistency are two things. If you follow these two rules, you can do anything and everything.
anything you want to say?
Yeah, so basically consistency is the key. Just don't hesitate in posting anything which you have recorded. It's in your drive or it's in your phone. Just don't wait for the right time. Just put it out there, and slowly and gradually you will see the results and you will grow.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
Hi, my name is Anshu Mehta. I'm a fashion influencer. Well, I love the experience. Everything was so apt, the hospitality. And believe me when I say this, यहाँ पे हर चीज़ बहुत perfection से हुई. They took care of us and I'm very happy about it.
About the author Sherry was the founder of this event. Any comments about him?
Well, I met him for the first time and I was expecting कि he'll be, because he is at a level where you need to speak to him at a certain level. But then he's really good, very kind, very down to earth, and we'll be in touch in future.
So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
Very interesting event. There were so many different kind of content creators, influencers also. We were looking forward to meet influencers. And very young people also, they are doing so well in content creation. Very exciting event, no doubt about it.
So, about the author Sherry, who was the founder of this event, who initiated the MS Talk event. So, any comments about him?
Author Sherry, he is a very genuine person. And the way he conducts events, I have been a part of his events, early events also. And the way he conducts, very professional, every aspect of it, even minute details are being taken care of.
So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
Loved the entire experience. The energy was great. Loved what Author Sherry has been doing for the last 4 or 5 years. I know him for last 5 years almost, and have been loving what he has been doing. Helping students to speak well. Also, conducting events like these, which benefits each and everyone. So, thank you, ji. Lage raho.
And I want to ask also, how was your content creation journey?
Oh, it's been a long journey. It's been a beautiful journey and a long way more to go. So, karte rahenge, chalti rahegi, and the journey has been good. Obviously, it's with lots of, ups and downs, lots of learning, lots of evolution, but that is part of any game and every game.
Thank you so much, sir. So, what's your channel name and how many followers you have?
Yeah, good evening. My name is Vikram Sial. My YouTube channel name is Vicky Ka Tadka, as you can see here. Yes, and I've just completed 100+ followers. Around 180 followers I have currently in my channel.
So, how's your journey going on YouTube? And
yeah, so this has been a very lucky journey for me, as my mentor Miss Nija Mahajan has helped me a lot, and her team has helped me a lot pursuing this channel. And for the fame of this channel, there was a bit of hurdles in between, but eventually I got knack of it. Then gradually I got interest in the jokes and all. Since my childhood only, I had a pretty good knack of entertaining everyone with bit of लोग कहते होते थे आगे आ गया जोकर आ गया मेरा जोकर आ गया अब ये हंसाएगा मूड बोर्डम हटाएगा. So that's about it.
So, आप मैसेज देना चाहोगे जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, वो जो सेम कर रहे हैं जैसा आप कर रहे हो, क्या हर्डल्स आती है?
Yeah, definitely. There will be a bit of hurdles in everything, almost because eventually this is a thing that requires hard work. So for me, I was a bit of lucky that I got the right platform. I got right person who I contacted and got ahead with it. And my only message for other influencers and creators would be that if you can breathe, you can still fight. Don't give up. You keep on going. Eventually, don't chase the success. Let the success chase you. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir, for whatever. So, how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
गुड एक्सपीरियंस है मतलब आया बड़ा अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया होया इन्होंने ते बहुत अच्छा लगा और ऑर्थो शहरी जी का और MS टॉक का थैंक यू ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ।
So how was your content creator journey? कैसे
फूड
रही?
ब्लॉगर है, तो फूड ब्लॉगर हूँ मैं, ਤੇ ਪਲੱਸ ਮੈਂ ਫੂਡ ਆਲ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦਾ ਫੂਡ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦਾ ਮੈਂ, ਤੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਧੀਆ, ਪਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 5 साल। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ।
So, आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहो आगे आने वाले इन्फ्लुएंसर्स?
जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो दिल से करो बस। हाँ जी,
Thank you so much. So how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
It's a very nice experience and lots of learning there. All type of content creator came here. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत सारी लर्निंग मिल रही है। लाइक डॉक्टर्स भी यहाँ पे हैं, ईटिंग हैबिट्स को लेके भी है और स्पिरिचुअल भी चीज़ें हैं। तो मतलब इनफैक्ट मेरी जो नीश है वो फाइनेंस सेक्टर की है, लेकिन इनफैक्ट यहाँ आने से जो मुझे जो एसेंस मिल रहा है, इट्स अ ग्रेट लर्निंग। एंड ऑथर शेरी जो हैं जिन्होंने करवाया MS टॉक्स ने, तो लिटरली वाओ एक्सपीरियंस।
Okay, and also about the author Sherry who has made it possible the event. Any comments about him?
He is a gem personality. I know author Sherry from last 2 years and जो उनका जो एक विजन है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को लेके और पब्लिक स्पीकर क्रिएटर्स को लेके, वो लिटरली इट्स ऑसम। तो वो एक जर्नी है और उस जर्नी का पार्ट हम लोग भी हो चुके हैं, तो इट्स वेरी नाइस।
Okay, so can you share about your content creation journey? Any difficulties that came in your path?
हाँ, जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, एज आई एम एक्सपीरियंस इन कॉर्पोरेट एग्जीक्यूटिव, आई वेल एक्सपीरियंस इन कॉर्पोरेट एग्जीक्यूटिव। करेंटली आई एम वर्किंग इन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी इन टॉप मैनेजमेंट। बट सोशल मीडिया में आना और एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, तो वो जो स्टार्टिंग जर्नी होती है, तो वो बहुत ही स्ट्रगल होती है, बिकॉज कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। कैमरे के आगे आपको बोलना, लगातार बोलना, कोई सुन नहीं रहा है तो वो भी एक चैलेंज आता है। फिर अगर आप बोलना सीख भी लेते हो, तब भी उसमें कंसिस्टेंसी बनाए रखना और पेन पॉइंट्स फाइंड करना मार्केट में जो चीज़ें हैं। तो इनफैक्ट वो बोलते हैं ना कि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट, कि लगातार करने से आएगा, किसी को कॉपी करके कुछ नहीं होगा। जो बंदा करेगा तो वो करते करते सीखेगा, बट डटे रहो इसमें।
Thank you so much, sir. How was your experience at today MS Talk event?
It was amazing. I had a lot of fun. There was a lot of opportunity for me to network with other creators and a lot of exposure for me as well.
Okay, so about the author Sherry, founder of MS Talk event, any comments about him?
I've seen him on my Instagram a lot of times, speaking about motivation, giving out how to speak in the public as well. So I've seen his reels a lot and he helps us to motivate a lot in the speaking skills as well.
Thank you so much. So how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
It was really good actually, and thank you so much to author Sherry ji for having me here, and I really enjoyed it. Earlier also I was a part of the same event, I guess, but this time it was better than that one. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Thank you.
So about the author Sherry, who was the founder of this event, who had made it all possible. Any comments about him?
He is actually a very humble person. I know him, I guess, from last 3 to 4 years. I've done several events with him, and really he was very down to earth and very humble.
Thank you so much. How was your experience at today MS Talk event?
Today I visited the MS Talk event and it was my first event in Delhi, and it was the very nice experience, and all the creators who have invited me, they are very supportive and they have supported me a lot, and we have enjoyed a lot here.
Okay, so author Sherry, who is the founder of MS Talk event, had made it all possible. Any comment about him?
He is a very sweet person, and I think he is the person who is supporting all the creators to move forward.
Amazing. Actually, I came, this is my first award. So the man, the founder, gave us the exposure to be here and to have an amazing audience. It was an amazing experience.
Okay, and about the author Sherry, who was the founder of MS Talk event, had made it possible. Any comments about him?
Already told you, he gave us the platform, the exposure which we creators actually want, the motivation which we want.
बहुत अच्छा था. I'm very thankful to be here.
And the author Sherry, who was the founder of MS Talk, had made it possible. Any comments about him?
It was very nice. It was very thankful to him for creating such a platform for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
सो मैम पहली बात तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे एंड मैं शेरी सर का थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे को इनवाइट करा और एज अ अवॉर्डी इनवाइट करा, तो उसके लिए रियली थैंक यू शेरी सर को। और मेरे को शेरी सर को जानते हुए हो गए 2 साल हो गए एंड वो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं सोशल मीडिया में और कहीं ना कहीं ये कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को वो कहीं ना कहीं रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं। तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो मैं 6-7 सालों से हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आज वो कहीं ना कहीं उस मेहनत का हमें मूल मिल रहा है ना। तो वो चीज़ है। तो शेरी सर बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, उनको थैंक यू एंड उनकी पूरी टीम को थैंक यू कि वो इतना बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं और ऑर्गेनाइज भी बहुत अच्छा करा है सब चीज़ें। इवन मैं अभी प्रोफेसर सर को सुन रहा था, उन्होंने इतना अच्छा समझाया, कितनी अच्छी चीज़ें हमें गाइड करी। तो इवेंट में आने का यही फ़ायदा होता है कि आप कुछ नया सीखते हो। अभी एक मैम को मैं सुन रहा था, उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि सही टाइम पर खाना कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है। एक ने हमें बताया कि आपको अपनी स्लीप साइकिल कैसे रखनी है। तो आप कुछ ना कुछ आके एक दूसरे से नया सीखते हो। तो मेरे को इवेंट्स में जाना इसीलिए अच्छा लगता है।
Thank you so much.
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है।
Okay. So how was your experience at today MS Talk event?
यार क्रेजी था, मतलब बेसिक चीज़ों के बारे में बताया गया, कम्युनिकेशन जो हमारी डेली लाइफ के बारे में होती है तो उस चीज़ों के बारे में बताया गया। एंड शेरी सर ने हम लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को, जहाँ पर हम जितना मेहनत कर रहे हैं दिन में एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट हमें एज अ टोकन दी जा रही है। तो वो हमें भी एक पॉइंट पे ऐसा होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं पे एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिलनी चाहिए और वो यहाँ पर मिल रही है। सो दैट फेल्ट रियली गुड। So yeah, experience was overall very nice.
Also, I want to ask about your content creation journey कि कैसी रही?
Content creation journey, यार I think it has just started now. अभी तो मैं यार बहुत छोटा हूँ, I am just 20 years old. 1.5 साल हो गए content creation cover करते हुए, but there still have been very much ups and downs. But that's the part of the process, I think, because at the end of the day, I'm doing what I love. तो ups and downs तो आएंगे ही, हार जीत होती रहेगी. Every day is a new reel, new रीच, ऊपर जा रही है, नीचे जा रही है, सब आता रहेगा भाई, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू डूइंग व्हाट यू लव, सो दैट इज ऑल व्हाट मैटर्स।
How was your experience at today MS Talk event?
My experience of today is wonderful. I think this is a good platform for content creators like us, and it gives us like more enthusiasm to whatever we are doing in our field, in our industry. So it gives kind of like I would say motivation for me. So I'm really happy to be here.
So Author Sherry, who's the founder of MS Talk event, who had made it all possible. Any comments about him?
Yeah, I think he is a great human being. I think because of him, I got this opportunity to come here at MS Talk Events Content Creators Awards, which is a very big thing for me. I have been like doing this for almost 7 to 8 years now, and being awarded, being rewarded for what you're working for is truly a great blessing, I would say. So yeah.
How was your experience at today MS event talk?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। लाइक मैंने अपनी जो कलरफुल वर्ल्ड के बारे में बताया था कि मैं कैसे डांस करती हूँ, कैसे सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज करती हूँ। लाइक मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें करती हूँ, मैं मल्टीटास्कर हूँ। लाइक मैं डांस भी करती हूँ, मैं स्पीकिंग भी, मैं सिंगिंग भी कर सकती हूँ, और मैं आर्टिस्ट भी हूँ एक बहुत अच्छी। और जो ऑथर शेरी थे, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से और इतना बड़ा स्टेज ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया हमारे लिए। थैंक यू सो मच ऑथर शेरी, और वो बहुत काइंड पर्सन है, और मेरे हिसाब से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ट था इस साल का।
आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे?
जर्नी के बारे में कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, क्योंकि अभी मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ, अभी इतनी सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता नहीं है। बट मैंने जितना सुना है कि मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें मल्टीटास्किंग कर देखती हूँ, और मेरी मम्मा मेरे को बहुत हेल्प करती है इन चीज़ों में। मेरे पापा मम्मा और मेरी बहन मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं, और मैं उनका ही थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ और ऑथर शेरी का थैंक यू।
I'm so nervous. Okay, it was good, and I am a content creator. I have a Instagram and YouTube channels. So I have 1.3 million on YouTube and also 5 lakh on Instagram.
You can also share your journey on the YouTube and Instagram.
Okay, I started YouTube in 2017, and it was like very up and down. There was so many up and downs. So yeah, she is my daughter. इसके साथ में ये सब कुछ मैनेज कर रही हूँ. So yeah.
So any message you want to give upcoming influencers?
Do your best. Keep doing hard work, because उसके अलावा उसके साथ ही सब कुछ हो पाएगा, उसके बिना कुछ नहीं होगा. So keep doing. Yeah.
Thank you so much.